Hi, boys and girls. It's time for Sounds with Mr. Slates. Last time we learned a new sound. Does anyone remember what sound my two E's make when they're together? That's right. They say E. They say the name of the letter, E. And it's a smiling sound. This is a vowel sound. Do you remember why? My mouth is open. I can sing the sound or I can keep going with it. And the sound is voiced, meaning my voice box vibrates. E. Let's do a quick review of some of the sounds that we've done. Look at the screen. When you see a letter or letters appear, say the sound that letter or letters makes. Be careful, they're not in order. Here we go. D, I, th, E, A, oo, E, A, A. Pat yourself on the back. Great job with that review. All right, let's read some words that have my E's in them. Remember, when I go to read a word, I start at the left and I move to the right. I start with the first sound, I move to the next sound, and I blend the sounds together to make a real word, like in this case. E, fee. Notice my two E's work together to make only one sound. I don't say f, it's f, e. Now you try. What's this word? There's three sounds. T, e, tree. Try this one. Bzz, bee. Do you get it? Next one. S, e, see, like I see you. All right, let's move on to our next sound activity. I say a word, you echo. You're going to change the first sound to something else. Like say hub, change h to k, and it's cub. Your turn. Say hot. Change h to o. Lot. Say six. Change s to m. Mix. Say hug. Change h to t. Tug. Say shell. Change sh to b. Bell. There's our E's. Say feel. Change f to s. Seal. Say bid. Change b to h. Hid, like I hid. Say hid. There it is again. Change h to k. Kid, like you are a kid. Say fan. Change f to ran. All right, it's time for blending. And I'm going to invite Mario back today to help us with blending. Do you remember what blending is? I will say three separate sounds. You blend them together with Mario to make a real word. Are you ready to see Mario? Hi, Mario. Hi. Mario's ready to blend. Are you ready to blend, Mario? Okay. I say three sounds. You blend them together to make a real word, and the boys and girls will help you. Does that sound good? Yes. Okay, here's my sounds. Are you ready? Ch, ood. Ch, ood. What am I saying, Mario? Chewed. Yeah, chewed, like I chewed my food. Next one. Does. What's my word? Does. He's saying does, in case you can't tell. Next one. A. This is a color. Gray. It's gray. Awesome. Next one. A. Can you guess, boys and girls? What's my word? Play. Yeah, like you like to play with Tony. Last one. Ready? A. A. What's that word? Stay. Stay. That's awesome. All right, boys and girls, have a great day.